Hello, everyone, and welcome to Diana's English Podcast, the place where learning English is easy, exciting, and a lot of fun. If you enjoy simple conversations, interesting stories, and learning English in a relaxed way, then you are in the right place. So stay with me, smile, and let's start this English journey together. Yay! My name is Diana, and I am a fashion designer who loves colors, clothes, and creative ideas. Today, I am talking with my good friend Stefan on this podcast.
Hello everyone, my name is Stefan, and I love writing poetry about life and small funny moments.
Stefan writes poems about coffee, rain, and even about lost socks.
Hey Diana, the sock poem was very emotional, okay?
Today, we will talk about our weekend experiences and some funny real-life stories.
Yes, and maybe we will also talk about our parents, our friends, and our silly mistakes.
I already remember one very funny thing from my weekend. My weekend started on Saturday morning when I woke up very late.
Late mornings are the best weekends.
I ran to the kitchen because I was very hungry, but my cat was already eating my bread. Gasp!
Your cat eats bread? Wow!
Yes, and he looked at me like a king and continued eating.
Maybe your cat is a secret baker.
Oh my gosh, Stefan, that is a funny idea.
My Saturday morning was quiet because I was writing poetry near my window.
That sounds peaceful and calm.
I wrote a poem about sunlight and coffee smell in my kitchen.
Stefan, that sounds very romantic.
Oh no, Diana. Now I feel shy.
Later, I went to a small coffee shop with my friend Mia.
Did something funny happen there?
Yes, the waiter gave me coffee with salt instead of sugar. Ew!
Oh no, that must taste terrible.
I took one sip and my face looked like a shocked fish.
IJBL, because I can imagine that face very clearly.
My friend Mia laughed so loudly that people turned around. Tee-hee!
That is a true coffee adventure story.
Speaking of which, after that, the waiter said sorry and gave me a free cake.
Free cake always makes a problem better. Yay!
The cake was chocolate and very delicious.
Now I want to write a poem called The Salt Coffee Story.
My weekend also had a strange moment on Sunday morning.
Oh, really? Tell me everything.
I tried to cook pancakes for my parents,
That sounds sweet and kind.
but I forgot to put sugar in the pancake mix.
Wait, so your pancakes had no sugar?
Yes, and my father said they tasted like bread circles.
Bread circles is a funny name.
My mother still ate them because she is very supportive.
Moms are always kind like that.
My father secretly added chocolate on top.
That family breakfast sounds cute and funny. My mother also loves cooking on weekends.
What food does she cook?
She makes spicy noodles and fresh juice.
Wow, that sounds delicious.
But my father always adds too much chili. Yahoo!
Your father likes danger in food.
Yes, he says spicy food makes life exciting.
My father says poetry makes life exciting.
Maybe your father and my father should meet.
They can eat spicy noodles and read poems together.
That sounds like a funny friendship already.
Families create many beautiful memories.
My friends always bring silly moments to my weekends.
What did they do this time?
My friend Leo wore 2 different shoes by mistake.
Oh, wow, that must look very strange. Guffaw.
One shoe was blue and the other shoe was green. Tee-hee.
Maybe he started a new fashion trend.
Hey, I'm a fashion designer and even I was surprised. Gasp.
Maybe next year everyone will wear different shoes.
Then Leo will become a fashion hero.
Friends make life colorful.
Yes, friends make small moments very special.
and sometimes very funny.
On Sunday evening, I sat in a park with my notebook.
Were you writing another poem?
Yes, I wrote about the wind and falling leaves.
That sounds peaceful.
The wind danced softly, and the trees whispered stories.
Wow, Stefan, that sounds beautiful.
Thank you.
Did anyone hear you reading your poem?
Yes, a dog sat near me, like a serious listener.
Oh my goodness, a poetry dog. I think he liked the poem very much. Maybe he wanted a second poem. On Sunday, I also worked on a new dress design.
What color was the dress?
It was bright yellow, like sunshine.
That sounds very cheerful.
But my cat jumped on the fabric with dirty paws. Ew.
Oh no, that poor dress.
Now the dress has tiny paw prints everywhere. Tee-hee.
That is modern cat fashion.
Maybe I should call it the catwalk dress.
That name is perfect.
Maybe people will love this funny design.
I believe your creativity is amazing.
Talking about weekends reminds me of my childhood.
What did you do when you were a child?
I wrote small poems in secret notebooks.
Wow, you loved poetry even as a child.
Yes, words were always my friends.
When I was young, I designed dresses for my dolls.
That is adorable.
My dolls had better clothes than I did.
That is a funny childhood story.
Childhood is full of imagination.
Does memories make me smile?
Me too. I also had a funny moment on the bus this weekend.
What happened on the bus?
I waved at someone who looked like my friend.
But it was not your friend, right?
Yes, it was a stranger who looked very confused.
Oh, wow, that is awkward.
I slowly looked out the window like nothing happened. Teehee. That is the classic escape move. My face was red like a tomato.
I would laugh all day about that.
Now I can laugh too.
Funny moments make good stories. Your weekend stories are very entertaining.
Maybe I should write comedy instead of fashion.
Or maybe I should write poems about you.
Oh wow, that is unexpected.
A designer with sunshine dresses and funny stories.
That sounds like a strange poem already.
Strange poems are sometimes the best poems.
Maybe you were right.
Life is more fun with laughter and creativity.
And good friends.
I agree completely.
Happy podcast conversation feels like a friendly chat. Weekends are small breaks that bring simple happiness.
They give us time to think and create.
They also give us funny stories to share.
Like salty coffee and bread pancakes.
And cats walking on dresses. Teehee.
Life is full of small surprises. Wow.
Encouraging, dear listeners, we hope our stories made you smile today.
Maybe you can also talk about your weekend in English.
Happy practice slowly and enjoy the conversation.
Every small sentence helps you learn.
Thank you for listening to Diana's English podcast.
Joyful. See you next time. Hurrah!
Keep practicing English every day with small conversations.
And do not forget to laugh often.
Laughter is the best language.
Poetry and fashion can wait, but joy cannot.
We wish you a wonderful day.
Goodbye, everyone. Yay!